One of the most important aspects of owning a pet is making sure the pet has the right pet MD to help take care of those medical emergencies that occasionally do pop up. Making sure that you have a vet who is well educated and is obviously an animal lover is extremely important in providing adequate care for your pet. You wouldn't trust just anyone to treat your sick child, or yourself for that matter. Don't your pets deserve the same treatment? Of course they do. One of the best ways to begin searching for the perfect pet MD is to think about how you yourself choose a doctor for you and your family. It's probably not a good idea to flip through the phone book looking for the closest vet to your house so you can save on gas. You wouldn't send yourself to a doctor just because of distance, would you? Pets need vets who can give them the type of care and medical treatment they need to improve their health, not simply a doctor who is convenient for you. Check with your friends who own pets and see who their vet is. This can be a great way to find a good doctor with a solid reputation in the community. Another great way to find a good vet is to check with your local police department. Most police departments today have a K-9 unit they use to help them check for drugs as well as busting other types of crime. You could always ask which vet they use and check him or her out as a potential pet MD for your furry companion. After you get a list of doctors together, you can begin calling them up and asking them questions about their practice. Ask if you can bring your pet cat or dog in for a checkup and that you'd be interested in looking at their facilities. Let the pet MD know that you're looking for a new vet. When you get to the office, pay close attention to your pet's behavior. If your pet seems nervous and scared at the vet, you may want to take your pet elsewhere. You want to make sure there's a good connection between the vet and your pet, as this will reflect how well your animal is taken care of in an emergency situation. You've heard the old saying that there is no such thing as a dumb question, except for the question that is not asked, right? That's very true when it comes to picking out a vet for your kitty or pooch. You should ask your potential new vet as many questions about their practice and their facilities and procedures as much as possible. You may want to ask if their facilities have any type of X-ray devices, or a lab where they can conduct private testing. One very important question to ask is about pricing. Visits to the vet are not usually cheap. Neither are the treatments, medicines, and other procedures your pet may need to have. It's always a good idea to ask the vet if he has a payment plan option available for you to put into action should your pet have to have some type of surgery done. Ask about staffing and find out what hours the office is actually open. These are just a few tips to help you find the right pet MD for you and your beloved family pet. It may seem like a lot of work, but your pet is a member of the family and deserves to be taken care of just as much as you do.